Hi there. Thank you for taking a peek. At the basic level, I'm going to explain the computer and the software to get you comfortable and confident with using the computer. I have worked and trained people at all levels and have gotten positive feedbacks on how I explain things. It's a little different now that I'm recording it and putting it out to the world, but I'm getting comfortable with it. As mentioned, I will be going over basic day-to-day computer exercises to help you operate the computer. I will also gear my content towards answering questions you put in the comments or send over email. With the beyond level, I intend to dive into the more technical aspects of what is going on inside that spreadsheet and other documents and softwares to help you improve your skill level at a comfortable pace. This is the level that I really could have benefited from when I started out. Some training that got to the point and made learning quick and easy. So I invite you to take a look at some more videos here and on my Patreon site using the link in the description below. I will also have other content on my Patreon site to help my subscribers know what's coming up and get an idea of what's going on at other levels. Make sure to like, subscribe, get alerts, visit my Patreon site, and I hope to hear from you.